Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, it's Jenna J, that's me, the Jabby from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing, as promised in my last grocery haul video, a corn pie. My version of a corn pie. So if you want to see how I made this, you have to keep watching. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell notification button. This is so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm going to be doing some shout outs from the previous video that I posted. So make sure you hashtag shout out on anything else you want to hashtag in the comment section to get a shout out. So let's get into this corn pie video. So just to go through the ingredients with you guys, I'm going to be using some white pepper powder, some cayenne pepper, salt, Promosa brand of cornmeal, margarine, cheese, evaporated milk, cream style corn, whole kernel corn, egg, pimento, garlic, onion, and sweet pepper. Now to start things off, you're just going to have to prepare your vegetables. I just like to finely chop my pimentos and the onions as well. I don't like getting chunks of anything in the corn pie. Now that I have all my ingredients portioned out, you can find the exact measurements for all the ingredients I'm going to be using in the recipe that's posted on my website. The website is listed just at the bottom of the screen there, so you can check that out. And now it's just to put everything together. So I'm starting off with some coconut oil in my pot. Now you don't have to use the coconut oil, you can use just the margarine alone. And you're going to add your onions, your sweet peppers, your garlic, your pimentos, and you're just going to mix that up well and cook it until it's nice and tender. Then I'm going to be adding, well, the margarine that you can use instead of the oil, but I just kind of went in with some oil as well. So you're going to add some evaporated milk to this mixture and keep stirring it. Keep your heat on low or medium because you don't want anything sticking and burning. Next, you're just going to add the cornmeal very slowly to the pot and keep stirring because it will stick. And if it does start to stick, just lower your heat. Remove the pot from the heat if anything. So you're going to add your corn, cream style corn, your kernel corn, your cayenne pepper, your white pepper, and your salt. And you're just going to mix everything up until it's nice and thick. And you're going to slowly add your egg. Now you have to be careful when you're adding your egg just because it can cook. You don't want fried egg ending up in your corn pie. So you're going to add it slowly and keep stirring on low heat. Once that's done, you're just going to add in your grated cheddar cheese or any cheese of your choice. You're going to continue mixing it up. At this point, the stove is off. Mix is nice and thick. And now all I'm going to be doing is just putting it out into a greased baking tray. Excuse the husband's hands, I needed some muscles. That cast iron pot was pretty heavy. So I'm going to use my spoon or spatula to make it all nice and smooth on top. And then I'm going to top it off with the remaining grated cheese that I have. And now we're just going to pop this into the oven for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees. And this is what it's going to look like after 35 minutes in the oven. It looks amazing, doesn't it? And look at how easy and nicely it slices through. Well, that is a perfect corn pie for you guys there. And I had the corn pie, if you're wondering, with some red beans, some stewed chicken, some potato salad, and some rice. Absolutely delicious combination and perfect meal idea for you guys to try out this week. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that corn pie video. You can feel free, let me know your version of it. And like I keep saying, this is just my version. You can feel free to adjust, use the recipe as a guide. And you can adjust on the cayenne pepper level, the pimentos. You can add carrots if you want. Just have fun with it. So let's just jump to the notification shout out. So the first shout out is going to go to Patricia McEwan. She actually used the hashtag shout out. So thanks so much for watching my video. Next one is going to go to Mrs. Venomous. Great video, she said. Thanks so much for watching my video. And final shout out goes to Lilyn Bess. Hope I did not pronounce your name badly. She said, love all your vlogs. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Remember to share the video with all your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Like you see, you cut off my hand there now. So you have to turn it around.
Yeah, but I want you to see because next time I take a shot and go like it.
It's not a bad, it's just a little piece of the video anyhow. It's not like a full kind of...
We're not seeing the pie, just a bit, you know.
Yeah, so the point is just to get me cutting it like this.
Yeah, I got to go now.
Yeah, like, you know, just cutting it. Boom!